Dear parents, we're going to show you how to book any of the school facilities using the ACS app. If you haven't yet installed the app, you can watch the video that's at the description or at the end of this video for instructions on how to install the app. Let's open the app. Click on the outdoor facility icon at the bottom. You will see your current and previous bookings. Click on the book button that is at the bottom right. Select the date for which you wish to book. Next, select the facility you would like to book. Based on the facility type, you can select either a full or half time frame. Now you can select from the available list the time slot for which you wish to reserve. Add a brief description of the event for which you're booking, and then press the book button to save the event. You will now see your current event on your list. Now, in order to complete this booking, click on the event you just booked, and then you will need to add the email of all the other school parents that will be joining you during this event. You can add more than one email, but make sure that it's the parent's email that they have registered at the school. Finally, click on the Send Invitation, and your guests will receive the invitation and their names will be listed at the entrance gate at the day of the event. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.